Tonight, we dive into a story where power, money, and technology collide in ways that could reshape the financial world as we know it. This is a tale of ambition, innovation, and the relentless pursuit of influence at the highest levels. Cryptocurrency, digital money not controlled by governments, has sparked a modern gold rush, making fortunes overnight and raising eyebrows across the globe. What started as a niche experiment for tech enthusiasts has exploded into a global phenomenon, drawing in investors, speculators, and dreamers hoping to strike it rich. The promise of decentralized wealth has upended traditional finance, and the stakes have never been higher. Once the playground of tech geeks and early adopters, crypto now attracts the world's elite, including celebrities, billionaires, and even the Trump family. The lines between old money and new technology are blurring, as high society mingles with Silicon Valley visionaries and Wall Street power brokers. The Trumps have just orchestrated a $1.5 billion deal, shaking up both Wall Street and Washington. This move isn't just about profit, it's about influence, legacy, and the future of the American financial system. The news has sent shockwaves through the markets and the halls of power alike. This isn't just an investment, it's a bold move that fuses their business empire with the future of finance. By stepping into the world of crypto, the Trump family is signaling their intent to shape the next era of wealth creation, leveraging their brand and connections to make a mark on a rapidly evolving industry. When a family with this much political clout jumps into crypto, it changes the game for everyone. Their involvement could influence regulations, inspire imitators, and alter the balance of power between government and private enterprise. The eyes of the world are now watching closely. Their entry brings both legitimacy and intense scrutiny to the industry. Regulators, journalists, and investors are all asking tough questions. Is this the dawn of a new financial order, or a risky gamble with global consequences? The answers could shape policy and public opinion for years to come. Tonight, we'll break down the deal, the key players, and what it means for the future of money. We'll explore how this partnership came together, who stands to gain, and what it could mean for everyday Americans and the global economy. This is more than a business story. It's a political one, raising tough questions about power, profit, and the intersection of private ambition with public policy. The implications reach far beyond Wall Street, touching on campaign finance, regulatory oversight, and the very nature of money itself. So let's go out front and unpack the $1.5 billion Trump crypto deal, examining how it could change the rules of the game and what it means for the future of finance in America and beyond. At the center of this groundbreaking deal is World Liberty Financial, or WLF, a bold new Trump family crypto venture that officially launched in 2024. WLF is not just another name in the crowded world of digital finance. It's a company with deep roots in both traditional business and the fast-evolving crypto landscape. Their mission is ambitious, to launch their own digital coin, $WLFI, and transform it into a household name recognized across the globe. WLF aims to bridge the gap between established financial systems and the new world of decentralized currency, making crypto accessible to everyday people. The leadership is unmistakably Trump, fronted by Eric Trump, real estate executive Zach Witkoff, and a tight-knit circle of loyalists who have long been part of the Trump business orbit. Their combined experience in real estate, finance, and branding gives WLF a unique edge. Witkoff, the son of a longtime Trump advisor, is a key figure, bridging the Trump family's old-school real estate connections with a new generation of digital ambitions. His role is to ensure that WLF's crypto vision is grounded in both innovation and experience. Matt Morgan, a trusted advisor with a background in law and business strategy, is set to take on a senior role. His job is to keep the Trump vision on course, navigating the complex legal and regulatory landscape that comes with launching a new cryptocurrency. WLF's public face is bold and unapologetic, announcing the deal as a giant leap for WLFI. The company is not shying away from the spotlight, instead embracing it to generate buzz and attract attention from both the media and potential investors. This isn't a passive investment for the Trumps, it's a hands-on strategic push to shape the future of the crypto market. The team is actively involved in every aspect, from technology development to marketing and investor relations. The Trumps are leveraging their powerful brand and extensive network to propel $WLFI into the mainstream. Their influence opens doors, attracts high-profile partners, and brings instant credibility to the project. Investors and regulators are watching closely as WLF navigates this volatile new frontier. With so much at stake, the world is waiting to see if the Trump-backed dollar WLFI can truly disrupt the crypto landscape, or if it will face the same challenges as so many before it. Here's how the $1.5 billion deal works. This is not just any ordinary transaction. It's a complex financial maneuver involving multiple layers of investment and strategic partnerships. WLF partners with ALT5 Sigma, a public tech firm, to inject massive capital into $WLFI. This partnership is a strategic move designed to leverage the strengths of both companies. ALT5 raises money by selling 100 million new shares at $7.50 each. This influx of capital is crucial for the next steps in their grand plan. The cash from these shares is used to buy $WLFI coins directly from WLF, creating instant demand and boosting the coin's value. This immediate injection of funds into $WLFI is a calculated move to drive up its market position. In return, WLF gets a huge stake in ALT5 Sigma, $750 million worth of WLFI coins exchanged for company shares. This exchange not only solidifies their partnership, but also aligns their financial interests. This gives the Trumps a foothold in both crypto and the stock market, diversifying their assets. Diversification is key in modern finance, and this move ensures they are well positioned in both arenas. Eric Trump joins ALT5's board, Zach Witkoff becomes chairman, and Matt Morgan is named chief investment officer. These leadership changes are strategic, bringing in experienced individuals to guide the company through this transformative period. These moves embed Trump interests deep within ALT5's leadership. The integration of the Trump family into ALT5's executive team is a significant step, ensuring their influence and vision are embedded in the company's future. The partnership is designed for mutual growth. As $WLFI rises, so does ALT5's value, and vice versa. This symbiotic relationship ensures that both entities benefit from each other's success, creating a win-win scenario. It's a sophisticated, high-stakes alliance. The complexity and scale of this deal highlight the high level of strategic planning and financial acumen involved. The deal cements the Trump family's influence in both digital and traditional finance. This landmark agreement marks a new chapter in their financial legacy, bridging the gap between old and new financial systems. The Trump crypto empire is bigger than just $WLFI. It started in 2023 with ventures ranging from meme coins to Bitcoin mining. The Trump meme coin, launched by Donald Trump, has generated hundreds of millions, proving the power of their brand. Even Melania has her own meme coin, showing the family's all-in approach. Eric and Don Jr. are behind American Bitcoin, a mining operation that supports the backbone of the Bitcoin network. Trump Media, parent of Truth Social, recently added $2 billion in Bitcoin to its balance sheet, signaling deep belief in crypto's future. The Trumps are building a synergistic ecosystem, media, mining, and coins, all reinforcing their digital ambitions. The Trump family's crypto rise is fueled by favorable policies from the White House. President Trump has rolled back tough regulations, making the U.S. a crypto-friendly zone. Federal agencies have eased enforcement, giving crypto firms room to grow. New laws provide clear rules, letting companies like WLF operate with confidence. The administration is even building a federal Bitcoin reserve, boosting the asset's legitimacy and price. These moves directly benefit the Trump family's holdings and ventures. The alignment of political power and private business has turbocharged their crypto empire and sparked controversy. The overlap of Trump's policies and his family's crypto empire raises big conflict of interest questions. Critics say presidential actions are enriching the first family, blurring the line between public service and private gain. The Trumps aren't passive investors. They're building and promoting a vast crypto network. Every pro-crypto policy can mean millions more for their bottom line. Ethics watchdogs warn this feedback loop undermines public trust and creates an uneven playing field. The scale and speed of crypto profits make these concerns urgent and unprecedented. As the Trump crypto empire grows, so do the questions about ethics, power, and the presidency. The Trump ALT5 deal follows a trend pioneered by companies like MicroStrategy, using public stock to gain crypto exposure. MicroStrategy's Bitcoin bet turned its stock into a proxy for crypto investment, inspiring others to follow suit. Now, companies are adding digital assets to their balance sheets as inflation hedges and growth plays. The ALT5 WLF deal takes this further. ALT5 isn't just buying crypto, it's partnering with the coin's creators and integrating them into leadership. This creates a powerful feedback loop. ALT5 stock and dollar WLFI's value rise together. It's a new blueprint for merging Wall Street and crypto. Expect more companies to study and possibly copy this model. What does this mean for you? Crypto is moving mainstream, fast. The Trump's high-profile bet signals that digital assets are here to stay. Big institutional moves like this can bring stability and legitimacy to the market. Public companies add transparency, making crypto more accessible to everyday investors. But politics and crypto are now deeply entwined. Market swings may follow headlines, not just tech news. Investors will need to watch both financial and political developments. The line between stocks and digital assets is blurring. Understanding crypto basics is becoming as important as knowing the stock market. The Trump ALT5 deal marks a turning point for crypto and power. The Trumps are shaping the industry, not just riding the wave. Their strategy fuses political influence, business savvy, and digital innovation. This deal could accelerate crypto's mainstream acceptance, but also raises tough ethical questions. The intersection of public policy and private profit is under the microscope. As crypto moves from fringe to mainstream, who controls its future matters more than ever. The Trump family's next moves will shape the landscape for years to come. The digital money revolution is here. Are you ready to pay attention?